Ya Ruqayya, Ya Ruqayya, can you bear to hear the story of an orphan child whose beloved father looked at her so tender and mild? Now she lays all by herself. Put your heads down, let me take you to a different time. Take me away from this world and to heaven's door. I want to be with you, Baba, forevermore. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Baba, come back to me, Baba.
How can I live in this world without you, Baba? Why did we come to this land of Karbala? What does it mean, Baba? What does it mean when they say I'm an orphan now? They say the daughter of Husayn has no father now. What did I do? Where are you? Please come back, Baba. Don't leave me here in this place. Take me home, Baba.
Baba, come back to me, Baba. Oh, Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Come back and see what they did to your girl, Baba. They slapped my face and they burned my little dress, Baba. They burnt our tents and they stole of our things, Baba. They took my veil and they ripped my earrings, Baba. They beat my aunts and they changed my sajjad, Baba. They have no shame and no hearts, they're so cruel, Baba.
Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Ammu Abbas will bring water from the banks of Furat. This is his word and I know he won't break my heart. Where is he now, Baba? How can we stay apart? Why has he not returned? Where is my Ammu, Baba? If my Abbas was here, he would protect me, Baba. Where is his flag? Why doesn't it fly anymore, Baba?
Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Baba, where is Ali Asghar? Where did you take him to? Baba, his lips were so dry that he could not tell you. And yet he smiled as he went to the battlefield. Our mother's pain is so deep, it will never heal. She said they shot him through the neck. Why, oh why, Baba? What could a 6-month-old little child do to them, Baba?
Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Baba, come back to me, Baba. There was no hand to hold walking across that desert. You were not there to hold me and to quench my thirst. There was no kiss to soothe me, Baba, when I was hurt. To wipe my tears, Baba, I could not find your shirt. I looked for you, but I can't see you anywhere. But then I see your head carried upon that spit. Baba, come back to me.
Baba, Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Baba, this grief that I saw in my auntie's eyes was like a night with no moon, only darkened skies. And when they raised our moon, she cried out in shame, how can I show my Abbas that I have no veil? Baba, all day she took care of our family, and every night in her prayer she cried silently. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba. Baba, come back to me, Baba.
Baba, my eyes desire you and my tears they flow. Baba, I see the birds, they are all flying home. Will I be free? Will I go to Medina very soon? Or this dark prison cell be my only home? Or this dark prison cell will be my only home? Maybe I'll sleep and I see you once again in a dream. Maybe I'll awake and see your head in a plate and scream, take me away from this world
and to heaven's door.
I want to be with you, Baba, forevermore.
Baba, come back to me, Baba. 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 Salawat.
Bar Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad salawat. My dear scholars, children, elders,